How's it going, guys? Just getting. I went over my waders. If you see my last video, I talked about I had to patch a hole in my waders, and I wanted to give everybody a tip real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I did here. As you can see, so that's the seam. If you can see that shine, went all the way down it. Looks like you got dirty butt going on there, but what I did is I sealed up all the seams really good, so on both sides of it, because I sat on like the edge of my boat or something like that last year, and it ripped them. And I've also, like, I was walking by it the one day, and that's, like you can see, that's a big hole. Obviously these are neoprene waders, they're not plastic, so I got a couple holes in the knees that I'm going to do today, and that just reminded me I wanted to show you guys this. And then this, what I'm using, some old guy told me about this, silicone clear 2, 100% silicone. It's for windows, doors, all that stuff for your house, but it's got a lifetime guarantee. It says will not shrink, crack, break, you know, sales thing, whatever. Weatherproof, but it also says sunproof, freeze-proof, flexible, which was what I really wanted to. And then 30 minutes, it's rain ready. So basically, if you're just out, you know, walking through swamps and stuff like that, just barely getting ready, you could do this on the go. Like, you could probably have this with you. But my favorite thing is permanently waterproof. So that's going to be my little quick tech tip. Something else, like, I don't know if you've seen them here. These guys, you know, you get them in the paint aisle, or, you know, right by this thing. So you put it on there, and then where's that hole? So that's the hole right there. So what I would do is I'd like make like an X across it instead of just one, you know, drop basically, and basically press and squeeze it out. You know, nice. So you get the surrounding area to the hole. So you're actually creating like silicone patch, and that makes it so that you, instead of just having like the little dot or just barely, you know, around it covered, you actually have like a surface area of tension around it. It's kind of like putting a Band-Aid on it, but permanent and waterproof. So I hope that helps a couple guys that have some waders that are getting beat up. I know a lot of guys will actually, like, if they get cuts and stuff like that, they'll just throw them away and buy new ones because they don't want to go through the hassle of it, and they're not sure if it, and you know, any patches will last. So I use that so far. The backside hasn't leaked on me at all, and I would honestly say that it looks like it's going to last for a while. We'll find out, but I mean, for a $5-6 thing of silicone, you really can't beat it. So, like I said, I hope that helps. If you like these tech tips and stuff like that, and you're not subscribed, remember, subscribe. But otherwise, if you like these kind of videos, remember to